Well, today, let's talk dollars and cents. I'm breaking down the top 5 IT certifications proven to boost your salary. Let's dive in. Starting our list at number 5 is CompTIA Security Plus. This foundational security cert not only opens doors, but also significantly boosts your earning potential. Now, this is ideal for those beginning their cybersecurity journey. Security Plus proves to employers that you have the essential skills needed to safeguard digital assets. Job titles include Security Analyst and Cybersecurity Specialist, with average annual salaries ranging from $75,000 to $95,000. Now remember, salaries can vary depending on your city and industry. So at number 4, we have the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. As businesses rapidly move to the cloud, skilled AWS architects are highly valued. This cert shows that you can design secure, efficient cloud infrastructures, making you indispensable in today's market. Potential roles include Cloud Architect or AWS Solutions Architect, earning approximately $110,000 to $130,000 annually, with variations depending on location and company size. So coming in number 3 is Cisco's CCNP Enterprise. Networking is still the backbone of IT, and earning your CCNP Enterprise demonstrates that you can handle complex enterprise-level networks, ensuring high availability and performance. Job titles include Network Engineer and Senior Network Administrator, typically making around $100,000 to $125,000 per year. Again, salaries will vary by location and industry. So our runner-up at number 2, the Certified Information System Security Professional, or the CISSP. This is the gold standard for cybersecurity leadership roles. If you're serious about leading and managing security programs, earning your CISSP positions you as a strategic asset, significantly boosting your earning potential. Typical roles for it are Security Manager or Chief Information Security Officer, with salaries ranging from $125,000 to $160,000 annually. Again, depending on your area and industry. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP. Cloud security is exploding as businesses embrace digital transformation, and CCSP holders are in hot demand. This certification proves you have advanced knowledge to secure cloud environments, leading to impressive salary increases. So common job titles with this include Cloud Security Engineer and Cloud Security Architect, earning approximately $135,000 to $170,000 per year, with variation based on location and company size. Well, then there you have it. The top 5 IT certifications that actually boost your salary. Remember, certifications are investments in your career, so pick wisely, study smart, and watch your earning power soar. Like and subscribe for more IT career insights. Let me know in the comments, what certifications are you going after next?